Hi, Pearly. Her babies, they are 2 days old now. How do you feel, Whirly? Tired? Yeah, you need a bath. Look at that one. She had 8 little midgets. 8 babies. You're so cute. There's one over there hidden. Look at that one trying to find milk. She's all dirty. You need a bath, girl. You need a bath. It's looking for a booby. There you go. Found one. And little babies.